Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a fun get ready with me using all Victoria Beckham Beauty Products. I am so excited because we're going to create a soft glam holiday festive look. This one, and we're going to be using a few new launches from Victoria Beckham. I've got two new Lid Lustres, one of her new Satin Kajal eyeliners that is in the beautiful color sea gray, as well as this really fun, perfect for the holidays lipstick, and this is in Moody. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this soft glam holiday festive look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, I am so excited to be playing with Victoria Beckham Beauty today, and we're going to do a full face, and this is going to be a soft glam look, perfect for the holiday season. If you're going to an open house or a holiday festivity and you want to have a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of fun on your face, then that's what we're going to create today. So far on my skin, I did go ahead and prime my skin with the Cell Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer, and I have this in both the original version as well as the golden. The golden is going to give you a little bit more of that lovely golden goddess color right here, and then the original is a little bit more pearl based. So already on my face I put the pearl based one all over, and we might go ahead and mix the two of these, we don't want them to go to waste, and put this golden mixture maybe on the tops of my cheeks. So here is this color right here, and we'll just go ahead and add a little bit of this on the high points of the face. Again, I'm thinking we're all pretty busy around this time of year, so I wanted to create something sort of easy and pretty, but also a bit festive. So I'll just put a little bit of this on my face and pat that in. And I'm so excited because I have two of the new Lid Lustres. I have the chiffon color as well as the mirror, and we're going to create a really pretty eye look using these, and these are what these look like. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is chiffon. Isn't that so pretty? And then we have got mirror, which you guys know I love. A beautiful smoky gray eye look, but the combination of these two together is really stunning. So we're going to use those today. Let me give you a quick little swatch. This is chiffon, so pretty. And then we've got this gorgeous mirror color, and they actually work so well together. Okay, so chiffon here is just this really gorgeous gold champagne. It's almost the tone of my skin a little bit, so it's not swatching that great right on my hand, but it swatches amazing on the eye. And then this mirror color is just a gorgeous silver. So the cool thing about these Lid Lustres is that Victoria Beckham is a big believer in crystals. She sort of surrounds herself with the healing powers of crystals, and that these Lid Lustres have been inspired by the different beautiful crystals and the benefits behind them. And so each of these have been infused with some sort of crystal. So I thought that was really cool. So the Lid Lustre in chiffon is infused with clear quartz, which is known to amplify energy, thought, and aid in concentration. I think this is another cool element of these Lid Lustres. And then the Lid Lustre in mirror is infused with moonstone, which is known to provide calmness, enhance intuition, and promote inspiration. So I'm ready to have a little bit of that energy on my eyes. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a little bit of her bronzer. I'm just going to mix the two colors. I'm going to put that in the crease before we put on these Lid Lustres. So just a really easy, pretty, soft glam look today. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that bronzer and place that in that crease, just giving my eye a bit of definition. So I'm going to start with the chiffon color to just show you that you could use this one and done. And this is such a creamy, gorgeous, multicolored champagne gold color. And I am just going to take a little bit of this with my finger, and I am going to tap this near the inner part of my eye and take it to the middle. It is so pretty, you guys. Okay, guys, isn't that a beautiful color? So this could be one and done, just sort of that lovely champagne eye look. Put on some eyeliner, mascara, and I want to make this a bit more of a smoky eye and play around with this mirror color. Using a flat-edged brush here, and I'm actually going to come over to the outer area of the lid, and I'm going to pack on some of this gorgeous silver. Those are really pretty combined together. I'm just taking the warmth of my finger here and now just patting in the lid luster. These really are gorgeous. And these are just so pretty and reflective on the eyes. Now clearly you could glam this up a bit more for night and just really pack on a little bit more of that mirror shade. But today I just wanted to do a soft glam look that would be appropriate for mini holiday festivities. And we're going to go ahead and define the eyes using one of her new eyeliners. This is the Satin Kajal liner, and this one is in sea gray. This is a beautiful gray, so this has a bit of sparkle in it as well, so it makes your eyes just sort of pop. I absolutely love this one. So I am going to tight line the upper and lower lash lines with this eye pencil, and then if we want to, we can smoke out the upper lash line a little bit more with this as well. Okay, I got slightly distracted. My daughter called. It is finals week, so just had to do a quick little pep talk. She is coming home later this week, and then my son is also going to be coming home next week. So, as you can imagine, I am a wee bit excited. But let's go ahead and finish off the face. So, while I was talking to her, I did go ahead and put mascara on, but this is the final eye look, you guys. It gives a really nice, pretty, reflective wash of color between that champagne gold and that really pretty mirror silver. So it's adding a little bit of glam for the day. And then of course, I love this Satin Kajal liner in sea gray. It is so pretty on the eyes, definitely festive. And I could actually see myself using this liner to kind of smoke it out on the lid as well. So that's what I love about her liners, is that they're really super creamy, but you can of course line your eyes with them. But you also can use these as a little definition for an easy smoky eye. So loving this sea gray color. And then we have a new fun lipstick that I'm going to be putting on. But first, let's finish off the face. I'm going to use one of her cheeky Posh blushes. As you guys know, I absolutely love these blushes, and I love all the colors. I literally do. So today I'm going to be using Major, and I'm going to just put a little bit of this on the cheeks. And Major is your perfect neutral pink blush. So I'm going to start with my fingertip just around the apple of the cheek. Get the little warmth of my fingers going, and then I will just blend it out. Then I'm going to warm up my skin just a little bit more using her matte brick bronzer, and I have it in the shade 2. It's got a contour as well as a bronzer shade. I usually just mix both of them together, and then I will sculpt out, but I'll just put a little bit of this and just warm up the skin. Then we're going to finish off the look with the perfect lipstick for the holidays. This is a gorgeous crimson colored Lippie, and I just love it. This is a crimson colored, just beautiful velvety lipstick. As you know, I love her lipstick formula, and this just looks like the perfect holiday color. Super glam look going on. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Isn't this a gorgeous color? This is the shade Moody. And isn't it just a really pretty color? I put this on more opaque today, but the way that I've really been enjoying this lipstick is that I have just been dabbing a little bit of this on, and it stains your lips and it just looks so pretty. And this lipstick also looks so pretty with sort of a basic clean eye look and then this really bold lip. So it's just a fun holiday festive look, but I have been able to wear this on the day-to-day, doing kind of a soft glam and then just lightly tapping that lip color on it. And it's just really a fun festive look. So I'm going to quickly just finish off the face with just the little setting spray. I'm actually using Chantecaille's Rose de Mai Pure Rose Water, but if they had a Victoria Beckham one, I would certainly purchase it. But this is the final look using these beautiful Victoria Beckham products. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Let me know if you picked up any of these products, what your thoughts are. Love the Lid Lustres. They're just really easy to use and add such a nice reflective look on the eyes. And I love the fact that they were inspired by crystals. I don't think I had read that before, but I love the story behind the Lid Lustres. I'm definitely in love with the sea gray Satin Kajal eyeliner, and then we have this fun Moody lipstick. And again, I love her lipsticks. Those are just like the best formulation, and I forgot to mention that these last for hours on the lips. And of course, these are all clean beauty products, so there's no naughties in here. You can feel good about putting them on your face. And just wanted to give a thank you to Victoria Beckham Beauty. I love these products. Thank you so much for sending them to me. Such a fun surprise. It's always fun when you receive a little PR from a company that you love. This is a brand that I think I own almost all of their makeup. I just love it so much. I know that everybody's super busy, but just wanted to wish everybody a little holiday cheer, and I will be back with another video soon.